Hello, it's me here. Welcome to our channel where we talk about everything science, technology, and space. Today, we'll talk about NASA's Artemis mission, a program that will take humans back to the moon after more than 50 years. This mission is one of the most exciting steps in space exploration, and in this video, we'll break down what it is, why it matters, and how it will change the future of space travel. First off, let's answer the most basic: what is the Artemis mission? The Artemis program is NASA's plan to return astronauts to the moon. The name Artemis comes from Greek mythology. She is the twin sister of Apollo, which is a reference to the Apollo moon missions. Now, when will it happen? The first Artemis missions have already started. Artemis I was an uncrewed test flight in November 2022 that successfully orbited the moon and returned to Earth. The next mission, Artemis II, will be launched in 2024 and will take astronauts around the moon before returning to Earth. Finally, Artemis III will land astronauts on the lunar surface. This might happen as soon as 2026, so we really are just a couple of years away from seeing humans set foot on the moon again. What makes the Artemis mission special? For the first time in history, NASA plans to send the first woman and the first person of color to the moon. This shows how inclusive space exploration has become. Next, let's talk about the tech that makes the mission possible. The mission will use the Space Launch System, or SLS, the most powerful rocket NASA has ever built. The SLS will launch the Orion spacecraft, which is designed for deep space travel. The Orion spacecraft will take astronauts farther than any human has ever gone before. It also has some cool features like a service module that provides propulsion and solar power and a habitation module with room for up to 4 astronauts. Now, why is the Artemis mission important? The mission is important for several reasons. First, it will help us learn more about the moon, which can help us better understand the Earth. The moon is our natural satellite, and it plays an important role in our planet's history. By studying the moon, we can learn more about how Earth formed and evolved. Second, the mission will test new technology that will be used for future missions to Mars. One of the main goals of the Artemis program is to test the SLS rocket and the Orion spacecraft. These systems will be used to launch the first crewed mission to Mars, so by testing them on the moon, we can make sure they're safe and effective. Third, the mission will inspire future generations to pursue careers in STEM fields. One of the most important things about the Artemis program is what it will inspire. Seeing humans return to the moon will hopefully inspire young people to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. The Artemis program is part of NASA's commitment to make space exploration more inclusive and accessible to everyone. That's why the agency is working to make sure that the next generation of astronauts reflects the diversity of our country. The mission will also promote international cooperation. The Artemis program is a truly international effort. NASA is working with partners around the world, including the European Space Agency, the Canadian Space Agency, and the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency to make the mission a reality. To sum up, the Artemis mission is a big deal for NASA and for the future of space exploration. It will help us learn more about the moon, test new technology for future missions to Mars, and inspire future generations to pursue careers in STEM fields. It's also an example of international cooperation and the benefits that can bring. The Artemis mission is an exciting time for space exploration and for humanity as a whole. As we get ready to return to the moon, we can look forward to all the incredible discoveries and achievements that lie ahead. So, the Artemis mission is a huge leap for humanity. It will open the door to new discoveries, inspire future generations, and prepare us for journeys even farther than the moon. If you're excited about space exploration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more space videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.